Okay, so besides the chromium group exceptions, there's also the copper group, let's call it, exception. So as you go down these, they're going to do something similar as well. All right, they're all transition metals, similar to the chromium group, but these will become S1D10 depending on what their energy level is. Okay, so for example, we expect copper to be Ar4S2 3D9, but it actually will become 4S1 3D10. All right, why don't you guys try silver? Figure out what that one is. Okay, so silver, what's the noble gas that comes before it? Okay, and then what do we put? 5S1. Good, 4D10. Okay, and let's do the orbital diagram as well. So then we'll have Kr, and then what? 5S with what? One arrow, good. And then 4D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is all of them, right? Yeah, so we go up, 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 and then down. Okay, and then that's the last one we drew. All right. Okay, then we have gold. Let's try gold. What's the noble gas for gold? All right. And what would it be? 6S1, and then? Good, yeah, don't forget the 4F14. Good job. And then 5D10. All right, great. The last one's an exception to the exception rule as well, okay? So the 3 that you need to mark on your periodic table would be copper, silver, and gold. Just do a little outline around those so you remember. Those are the ones that are the exceptions that do this S1 D10. Okay? Now, this website at the bottom, ptable.com/orbital, if you go here, it'll actually give you the electron configuration for each element on the periodic table. So if you ever want to check your answers, or if you're having trouble understanding what's happening here, you can just kind of pull it up and it'll show you where all the arrows are, all right? And it'll also write the electron configuration for you as well, okay? So it'll all be there. The cool thing about it is it's dynamic. So you could start at hydrogen and just with your mouse, just go over these two and go over these, and you can watch all of this change. So it'll actually go through the whole periodic table for you, and you can watch as the arrows are added, and you can kind of see how things are going. You're also going to notice that there are some other exceptions that we're not going over this year, but you know, don't worry about it, all right? Okay, any questions with that website? It's really cool. And these are actually the quantum numbers and stuff that we're going to get into next, so that'll actually help you with later on. This whole chapter, you can really check all of your work just by looking at this website, ptable.com. It's also a really good just general periodic table, because no matter what screen you're on, like if you're on a phone or a tablet or a computer, it'll fill the whole screen, again, dynamically. It's really, really cool looking. All right? All right. So then zoomed in, yeah, you can really see where all the arrows are and the electron configuration.